coughs play a role in clearing irritants and infections from the body, but persistent coughing can be annoying. The best treatment for a cough will depend on its underlying cause. There are many possible causes of coughs, including allergies, infections, and acid reflux. We have mentioned some ways which help you to get rid of cough. Honey tea. The researchers reported that honey provided the most significant relief from coughing, followed by dextromethorphan. Ginger. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough, as it has anti-inflammatory properties. Fluids. Staying hydrated is vital for those with a cough or cold. Research indicates that drinking liquids at room temperature can alleviate a cough, runny nose, and sneezing. Steam. A wet cough, which is one that produces mucus or phlegm, may improve with steam. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is an herb that has a long history of use as a treatment for coughs and sore throats. Saltwater gargle. This simple remedy is one of the most effective for treating a sore throat and wet cough. Bromelain. It is an enzyme that comes from pineapples. It is most plentiful in the core of the fruit. Thyme. Thyme has both culinary and medicinal uses and is a common remedy for a cough, a sore throat, bronchitis, and digestive issues. Dietary changes for acid reflux. Acid reflux is a common cause of a cough. Avoiding foods that can trigger acid reflux. Slippery elm. It is similar to marshmallow root as it contains a high level of mucilage, which helps to soothe a sore throat and cough. N-acetylcysteine. NAC is a supplement that comes from the amino acid L-cysteine. Taking a daily dose may lessen the frequency and severity of a wet cough by reducing mucus in the airways. Probiotics. Probiotics do not directly relieve a cough, but they may boost the immune system by balancing the bacteria in the gut.